Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a phone call using Siri on your iPhone. So it's actually pretty simple. So first of all, before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just go to the settings on your iPhone like this, and then just scroll down until you see Siri and search, and then just toggle listen for Hey Siri. So just enable Siri if you haven't already. So but it's actually pretty simple to set it up. So once you have set it up, just say hey Siri, or whatever you have set it up for. So just say Hey Siri, and then you can just tell it to make a phone call, and then it will ask you about the contact's name. So just tell contact's name to Siri, and it will call that person after your confirmation. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.